Look, we know selling a house can be stressful. We're fully aware to make top dollar in any market, you got to put the work in. You got to do repairs to a property. You got to market it the right way, and you got to price it correctly, and you got to stage it, and the list goes on and on and on and on. And the reality of it is that's how you make top dollar. But also reality is not everybody has the resources or the time or the energy to do that, and we don't want to put you under a lot of stress. So that's right. If you're thinking about selling your house and want an all-cash offer, our team will come out to your house within 24 hours, take a look at your property, and be willing to give you an all-cash offer at a price that we feel comfortable with within 48 hours if we feel your house is a house that we're interested in taking on. Now, at the end of the day, we're here to help support you. We're always going to give you all your options, not just an all-cash offer, because we want you to know what type of money you might be leaving on the table. But as always, we're here to support you, and you let us know which route you want to go. And if you have any questions on our all-cash program, please reach out to me. I'll be more than happy to go over all the details for you, and I'll have our team anytime come out to your house within 24 hours. As always, if you need me, you know where to find me.